Hello everyone, I'm Willie. Today I'm going to talk about why do we need to exercise at home during the coronavirus period. Now first, do you know how long you have not been out to exercise, such as playing basketball, climbing, or going to the gym? Since we started online classes, I think everyone stays at home without any activities. And it's same for me. Everyone spends most of time besides class, either laying on the bed or on the sofa. But as we stayed at home longer, I found that my weight continued to increase and I feel less energetic. This is because the online class gives us a good opportunity for lazy. And at the same time, computer games also attract us. Thus, I think that during the coronavirus, we should insist on exercising at home. Next, I will introduce the 3 advantages of exercising at home and some of my suggestions to you. The 3 advantages that are it can help you develop a good lifestyle. The second is that it's good for your health. And the last is that it's also good for you in the future. Now first, it can help you develop a good lifestyle. We all know that our study of this semester will soon come to an end, and we will have a summer vacation. So, do you have any plan about it, such as playing games, watching videos, even or sleep a whole day? Have you ever thought that since we cannot travel or play outside, why not use this time to improve ourselves? Well, I think first of all, you can make a plan in which regular fitness at home is essential. We usually go to bed very late during the holidays, but when you finish your exercise, you will want to sleep earlier in the evening to get a full rest. And the next day, you will also get up early to enjoy your breakfast. Because workout can improve your sleep quality. Then you will have plenty of time to do other things on the next day, such as reading book or continue to exercise. Reading books can enrich our brains, and fitness is charging our bodies. Over time, you will develop a virtuous circle of going to bed earlier and get up earlier and exercise every day. After you develop such a good lifestyle, it's not easy to change it. Second, during this period, exercising at home will also be good for your health. As long as we can't get out and spend more time at home, our fat accumulates faster if there is no extra energy consumption. Therefore, the benefit of exercise at home can be reflected. It can help you lose weight because exercise can increase your body metabolism and burn more calories. What's more, it can make your body stronger to strengthen resistance and prevent disease. We all know that during the coronavirus, resistance is very important to us. It can help us resist the damage of the virus to us. In addition, fitness not only makes body healthier, but also makes our brain healthier. It can increase memory and improve our concentration. So, I think if you want to be healthier, stronger, and more energetic, you can exercise at home with me. Third, the benefits of exercise are not only beneficial during your exercise, it will also have continued benefits for the future. The most obvious thing is that when we can go back to school or work, you will be full of physical strength, which will make you more confident and more energy into your daily work and study due to you insist on fitness at home. Also, when the coronavirus ends, because we exercise at home, we will develop a good habit of going to the gym. You will have a certain fitness of foundation and have some understanding of some fitness movements and fitness equipment, which can help you quickly adapt to the fitness in the gym, even if you have no previous experience of going to the gym before. Finally, if you are interested in exercising at home and want to start exercising, I have some suggestions to tell you. But before that, we all know that there are several shortcomings of home exercise. That is, too boring, too small place, and lack of motivation. But in order to deal with 3 problems, I will give you 3 methods to solve it. First of all, in order to not be boring, some game companies have some fitness games. For example, Switch game machines have a fitness game called Ring Fit Adventure. You can not only play games but also exercise, which greatly improve the fun of fitness. Secondly, you can exercise by doing yoga at home, because you can only need a yoga mat and a place where you can put it. Finally, I will also recommend downloading some fitness software on your smartphone, on which you can set a time to supervise your exercise, and some fitness classes can also help you. For example, I use this Nike Training Club application, which will give you a lot of fitness programs and fitness records. And also, if you share records to your friends, it can supervise to you and help you exercise at home. In conclusion, through my speech, I share with you 3 benefits of workout at home. They are that it will allow you have a good habit in your life. The second is that it can make you healthier. And the third is that it allows you to be better invest in your future work, study, and fitness. Finally, I also hope that the 3 suggestions that I just mentioned will help you when you exercise at home. This is the references that I used in this presentation. Thank you for listening.